Hello, hello, my friends. Welcome to the live stream. Okay, let's scan through. Let's see, today we have what? Hello, Hazel. You found anything interesting? Not bad. Some of our positions are not bad. Hey, now got Black Friday? Really? Got a sale? Okay, let's go and see. Hey, have leh. Okay. Nice. Okay, can print screen this one and send inside the group. Wait. Can we just copy? It's really not bad Now got sale can... Yeah, I think I also want to renew. Maybe I renew a little bit earlier. Huh? Okay, let me send inside the group. Hello. Yes. Why cannot send? Okay, I sent inside the group already. Hey, thank you. Wow, nice. Uh, Han, yes, a little bit. Not a lot, but then I do more of swing trading. Crowd. LMND, okay, can. Let me scan through everything. But I don't think, this 1 or 2 days, I think the market will be quite peaceful. So likely, we'll have to wait until, NVIDIA's earnings, then likely the market will start to move. Okay, I will definitely reach LMND. Palantir, yes, I do think so. You can add some if you want. Yeah, I just got in Palantir, I think last Friday. I think it was before the news or something like that. Visa is breaking out though. Oh, there's a very, very nice breakout over here. Something y'all can keep a lookout. Possibly can become a good trade though. Yup. Yeah, I accidentally got into the trade twice. Both of them are day trade, then after that I convert it into a swing trade. Yeah, I got in once, then I forgotten that I bought it already, then I bought it again. ABB, weird, nothing. Open door, yes, possibly. I might do long-term investment, I guess. Just invest for possibly maybe 3 months to 2 years, depending on how's the overall market condition. Yeah, I found a lot of very, very, I think, good trades. I think over the weekend, I spent a lot of time running through those small and mid-cap stocks, and I found about 20 of them, but then I still need to assess, and then I see which maybe 3 that I want to buy. So later on, I think I will go through the watch list as well, because I want to start a new account to trade all these high risk stock. CPay is also not bad, but CPay like a little bit gone now. this one is also not bad. CYBR. Just now, what was the first one that we found, huh? Oh, Visa. CYBR. Number 3. NXPI. There's one more that I preferred more than NXPY. What was that, huh? Okay, Windy, one moment. Nothing. Yeah, because right now I'm scanning through all the instruments that I normally trade. I want to see whether I can find anything or not. mRNA, okay. Moderna is also not bad. Okay, something we can keep a lookout. Hey, this is, oh yes, Moderna. Correct. No, not MVO. It's something related to NVIDIA. It's a semiconductor. It's also a small cap stock. I suddenly can't remember. I think also start with NVO. MV something, is it? I added into my notes already, but then I haven't really added into the watch list here. Okay, Rick, you are looking to short LMND, is it? It looks like a good shot though. No, not QCOM. I think the ticker start with N also, N something. Okay, RIVN, it appeared on my watch list though. But then I don't know whether is it a good investment or not. No, not NOVO, no. I think it got to do with NVIDIA or some semiconductor industrial. If I'm not wrong, there's relationship with NVIDIA as well. But I can't remember the ticker. No problem. Later I look at my notes again. Okay, so far difficult lah these 2 days. Market went up a lot on Friday, so right now like not much setups though. No, not VRAM. Oh, I think I remember MVTS, is it? Ah, yes, MVTS. MVTS, yes, correct. This one appear. Well, I did a very in-depth analysis on this, but then I forgotten what I write. But then something that I'm interested to do investment. I think it's a high risk play, but then possibly can turn out quite good though. MVTS. Okay, just now Windy asked about Microsoft. Microsoft, wow, this one tough, man. Microsoft went up a lot more than the rest. Yeah, I do expect more pullback around this area before I'll be more interested in Microsoft. As of right now, yeah, I don't see a buy setup as well. Wow, bro, I also won't short Microsoft. Right now, there's also no setup for me to short though. You see, last Friday, it was so strong, but then over here, it's quite weak. So possibly you still can do a day trade long. Adrian's setup is ready though. He's golf. Can let him know. Hey. Where's that button? I think my trading view is also going to expire soon. I also want to renew since there's discount, huh? MU shooting up a bit. Okay, good, good, good. Let it be. Hazel, you need to. Okay, you go to the top left hand corner, right? I think you click on your name and then you go to settings and billing. After you go inside, right, they will tell you when yours is going to expire. Which broker you trade on? I trade on both Momo and IBKR. Yeah, I also think so. If you just buy, they will extend yours uh, from after expiry or something. Black Friday is when I also don't want to wait until, very last minute and then I've forgotten about it again. After that, I've paid the full price. Okay, ZETA is also not bad. About BBAI, possibly, might be a good one soon. BMNR, possibly. BMNR doesn't look, maybe not ready. Maybe one more leg down to the lower zone before it starts to rally. Call with, not ready. Figma also doesn't look ready. Hey, no problem, no problem. Andrew, I think they give us like, each $100 or something like that. It's okay, no problem. Yeah, Momo is not bad. Momo is not bad. It's user friendly. I like it. The only downside is that the leverage is lower than Interactive Broker. Okay, Hazel also going to extend. Okay, yeah, extend. If I'm not wrong, every time when they give the 70% discount, right, the premium plan is only $1 or... yeah. So you can see, right, the premium and the plus plan is only 2 cents difference only. So should we go for the premium will do 70%. It's exactly the same price as the plus. Bitcoin, sure, one moment. Let me scan through some of the instrument first. I'm also looking for trades. Market open already. Market open, my friend. Okay, I haven't logged in my account. Let me log in. Yeah, today, tomorrow, I think not much movement. So we are more or less, here to chit chat. Okay, so far things are looking okay. Not bad. Bitcoin retracing though. Yep, is retracing. Not too sure when it will stop. So I'll give it some time, let it play it out before, I see what to do with it. Oh, Palantir got stopped out already, so fast. Did I set such a small stop loss or not? Oh, really leh? Really stop out liao. Okay lah, too bad for Palantir. Okay, I will update. Oh, I still not need to update two. One of it. Oh, I still got one of it. Okay, sure. Wow, what happened to Palantir? The rest, is it dumping? Only SPY is okay. QQQ, okay. Nvidia pulling back a little. AMD as well. Let me see. Adobe. Okay, like only Palantir tanking a lot. Palantir and AMD. BLX going up. Crowd not yet. Okay, so far it looks fine, right? How is CrowdStrike? CrowdStrike, okay, spike up and down. What else? UNH. Okay, LLY. Okay, so far the healthcare are still fine. Spy not moving a lot. Like, how come Palantir dropped so much? Is there any news? Nope, no news. Oh yes, Intel. I want to look at Intel. Okay, Intel. I think I will set the alarm. If Intel retrace a little, possibly I want to do investment in Intel again. KTOS. Good lah. This stock is going up though. Okay. Yep, it looks good. It's going up. Yeah, this 1 or 2 days just be a little bit more careful. Likely the market will pull back a little bit. Sophie. Actually, I'm quite interested in Sophie, but then no setup though. Okay, Visa. Just now we look at Visa. Okay, Moderna mission abort. It failed already criteria. You're looking at anything or not? So far okay leh. It is expected, like market shouldn't go much anywhere. Just going very sideways and then likely not much momentum. But then really, only Palantir and AMD is moving down more than the rest. Netflix. Comcast. Okay, CMC. I know leh. Okay, no problem. I can type Comcast. Comcast. Okay, CMCSA. Okay. Is there any opportunity here? you're looking for longs, right? What is your current support zone for Palantir? Okay, one moment. Rick cannot type. I think Rick haven't reached home his head. He's on his phone. Are you looking for shorts? Wow, this Comcast. Wow, this chart is not. Rick, I think you look for longs better. Why? I just show you this. You can see, right? If we put on this line, you can see a lot of times it comes here after it has a bigger rebounds, come here and then start to rally, come somewhere here, starts to rebound. So possibly when it comes here, also can start to go up even higher. So be more careful on shorting this. Hey guys, I possibly if you are doing investment in Nvidia, right? Okay, Andrew, I think you asked me a question before, like if the market goes into a recession or something, what is that one stock that I'll buy, right? It will definitely be Nvidia. So Nvidia, right, for earnings, if you're someone who are doing investment, you can just buy. I don't think it makes a huge difference. And then if really earnings doesn't turn out well, it drop all the way down, you DCA again. So you can split into like multiple entries. So I think it's fine. For me lah, personally for me yeah, for me Nvidia, if someday really it's so bad that market got a hit or something, it drops all the way, maybe halfway around here to $140, I will still buy. Exam period for you. Okay, can. Okay, just now there was a Palantir. Yeah, you can see right today market like not going anywhere. Okay, Palantir it broke out already. I think you need to wait for a little bit more. Possibly the next level, if really Palantir do something like it chop around here and then it starts to go down. I think 130 to about 125 should be quite likely. Yeah, I only left with a little bit of positions in Palantir. I think about 40% or something. I will continue to add on. Why? What happened to LMND? Okay, not bad. If you want to short for small size, maybe. Okay, SPY still going up. Nvidia, okay. Oh, this Apple is strong. Oh, just now someone asked about open, right? Open. Possibly I want to, if there's an opportunity, maybe I will get in again. This open super volatile, man. Still no confirmation. Okay, good, Rick. Very, very good. Okay lah, like market is really boring. Really leh, no movement. Everything is quite slow. About 15 minutes already. Market open, but really no movement. Is almost exactly around the same level as last week. Okay, this circle dump a lot now. It's down more than 50% as of right now. How much? This is like 57% already circle. Another high risk, high reward play, but doesn't look like it's ready as of right now. Yeah, I need to wait for a little bit more. Okay, this one is structure. PWR. Nope. Wow, this stock CMI cannot make it. Very strong though. Wow. Okay. IBIT, very familiar. IBIT. Is it the Bitcoin ETF or something like that? Okay, Rick, HIPS also appear on my watch list. It's one of the small cap stock that I want to buy. But this one doesn't look like it will go up anytime soon. Possibly need to let it drop a little bit more before we can decide. Possibly I think about $36 area. Then we can decide to look for buy. Oh, you want to short? This one can be a small one. Yes, a small short. Not bad. I think if you short this, should be quite good. Not bad, not bad. Ready? Tell me, huh? IBIT. Yeah, it is basically the same thing as Bitcoin, I guess. The movement looks exactly the same. You also expect more consolidation first. Yep, all the crypto are going down. Over the weekend, I also bought quite a number of crypto, but then they are also, negative as of right now. Okay, Rick. Hazel everyday lazy lah. It's okay, huh? We hunt for trades. Intel going down a lot. Actually, I'm quite interested in Meta. I'm thinking I want to add into investment or not. I look at the market until like no movement, my friend. How to trade like that? Okay, I think let me scan one more round. if really nothing, go through my watch list, okay? My new watch list. High risk, high reward play. BLX. AMD, huh? Rick edited to shorting already. Shorting is fun lah. Oh really? Okay. We go and see. AMD, yeah, quite possibly, but then we are very close to this trend line. Let me see again. Yeah, we are quite close though. Might need to TP quite fast for this shot, I think. You see, Nvidia is holding up well. It's only AMD. Due to uncertainty in semiconductor market, especially ahead of Nvidia's earnings report on AI chip sales in China. Intel also coming down a little. What else do we have? Qcom also coming down a little. TSM holding up well. How about that? NVTS. It's also dropping. Hey, you want to short? Why not you short NVTS? You can see, right? This stock for 4 years already is in this area. It's not going anywhere. Okay, AMD, I think we wait for the confirmation. Got confirmation, then we go for it. Yeah, you can see, right, the trend line and SMA 50, they coincide with one another, so you need to TP quite fast. This trade likely, I think, about 1:1. Likely you need to get out already. Do you think, during Nvidia's earnings, it will go up or down? I seriously can't tell though this time around. Hopefully it fly up. MRK pulling back. CVLA. BNTX. This FT and T. Do you all go for short? Your classic head and shoulder. UAL, DAL. Okay lah, today pulling back a little bit. Oh yo, Rick, your LMND possibly maybe going to fire off liao leh. DUOL. Recently, there's also a lot of hype regarding this stock. Duolingo. Okay, Rick. What thing unblock? Okay, I see live chat. Can. Hey, Oracle. Did I miss this stock or what? Yes. Yep. Not bad. I think this short is not bad for Oracle. If Oracle really dumb, I think can be quite a good one. This Oracle is aggressive though. Net still got chance to short. Hello, potato. Hello, Ellie. Net. Quite possible as well. Yup, if there's a confirmation, maybe we can go for it. 1769. Yup, today I got no setups. So far I scanned through so much already. I don't think I will take anything today. Did we short net the last time? I forget now. Is it good? Oh, only you short. Okay. Understood. CCI. CCI got anything or not? CCI looks like another good shot, friends. This CCI is not bad. But how come there's like this green color candle here? No problem, I'll just draw something like that. Okay, I will scan through my watch list. Let's see what we get, okay? Where is it? Hey, where did I save though? No. You, if MACD tells you, you know, it invalidated the ending diagonal. Follow MACD. Follow MACD. Don't filter it out. Yeah, there's a reason why MACD is there. So if you filter it out, right, possibly even if you look at Google, it can fly up even higher. So the moment MACD says it's not an ED anymore, it definitely failed. BRK. Berkshire. Ayo, gone now. Okay lah, I don't think you want to look for short in Berkshire. I think you want to look for longs instead. AKAM. Well, I don't have much luck with this stock though. Yeah, it's also not very clear because you can see, right, this one looks like the impulse to the upside, and then it maybe can go either direction. TTWO. Take two interactive software. TTWO. Andrew, where do you find this? This one looks like a good stock though. Yup, this is a good one. TTWO. Okay, I add this into my watch list. TTWO. GTA 6 stock. Okay. You mean the company does like all the game software, right? Jalebi. Yes, open is good. Open is good. Definitely good. I like it. Fantastic. But then last Friday, how much did it went up or not? Let me measure for you, From this low until this high, it went up 71%, my friend. I also don't know whether got momentum or not right now. Okay, did I add TTWO inside my watch list? Let me see. Oh, I added. Okay, good. Oh, you're looking at the EMA 100 rejection, EKAM. Okay. Understood. Possibly also, This one is your favorite strategy, right? Yeah, it's possible, Hazel. It looks quite good. Irrespect this line. Okay, previously it doesn't respect a lot, but then this area is not bad. This area from about April 2022. Yeah, so about 3 years already, not bad. A firm. Yes, I do think so. I do think so. I think it made a new all-time high already. Is it? Oh, no, no, not yet, not yet. Almost there, almost there. Yes, and a firm earnings is this week, Thursday, my friend. Yeah, earnings is difficult though. If not, unless you use a cash account. This Palantir now going up. Palantir going up again. Really? Okay lah. We see how it goes. If possible, we try to get in again. Okay, where's my watch list? Okay, first one. I want to look at all of them so I can plan, you know. Okay, CDW. Yes, Rick. These 2 days, I really don't think market will go anywhere. Likely, it will just hang around this area until NVIDIA's earnings. If NVIDIA were to fire off up, I think a lot of stocks will follow along. The overall market, I think, will follow along. Because if you go in S&P, NVIDIA's weightage is really high though if you go and see. You see, you look at the whole S&P 500, NVIDIA right now is 7.54%. The weightage is damn super high though. Wait, what is this? Can close or not? Wait, cannot close it. My goodness. Okay, no problem. You can see, right, the top 7 only, they consist of roughly about 30% of S&P 500 already. Oh, you miss CDW. What we wanted to do is CDW. We wanted to short. Oh. I haven't mentioned anything about CDW, but then if you are looking for short, right, I think can wait for a little bit more. If we get some confirmation at this area, maybe we can go for it. Yes, potato, I'm also looking at that, but you know, it's the overall market that I'm a little bit afraid to pull that trigger. But so far, SPY looks good. Let me see. QQQ, okay. QQQ coming back up. This is a good sign, man. Really. Okay, Apple looks good. I also saw Apple. It's actually not bad. Oh yes, maybe I can do an investment in Apple, I like it though. Okay, let's do it. I think I will do an investment in Apple. Let me see. Okay, if it's an investment, really no rush though. Okay, I will set the alarm here. Since I don't have any investment in Apple, possibly I can go and buy some. BR. Can try again, BR. Hey, this one looks good. This one is good. But this trade, right, I think you wait for confirmation is better. So you got another 50 minutes for you to go. But then don't... Wow. Okay, possibly. I think not bad, not bad. Earnings is... Okay, earnings is far away, so no worries. Weekly. Okay. Yeah, Hazel, I think this one we can monitor for a little bit. Possibly can be a good one though, if we get the confirmation. Hey guys, those that we went through already, if got confirmation, let me know, huh? We can all take together. How about the China stocks? Just now, before market open, I went to see like some China stock. It suddenly dumped a lot though. Okay, new is alright. LI is okay. Baidu. Wow, wasted. Okay lah, Baidu is still not too far gone. It was Baba. Baba got like this huge spike suddenly. And then right now, like closing the gap, possibly can go up though. Yeah, PDD also has a huge spike. Because of earnings. Miss earnings. PDD, ah. JD. CHA. Also retracing a little bit. Microsoft. Yeah, I saw that as well. I also saw that. But just now I wasn't, very confident to take it. But then I think Microsoft is not bad. It's really not bad. Looks good. Yeah, let me see SPY first. Wait, this one is VO. Okay, SPY. Oh, BMNR. I'm inside already. I have an investment in BMNR, but I do think maybe still got some downside before it's ready. Later on I can show you the chart. Okay, not bad, huh? John can do a day trade. It's really not bad. Okay, we can do a day trade. Okay, guys, wow, I'm thinking. Okay, this is like how many percent already? Let me see. 10% only. Small though. The pullback. Yeah, Microsoft, I think for the investment, I will wait for a little bit more. Pullback too small already. Hello, nice to see you. JPM. JPM still no setup though. This one like. But if you are really aggressive, possibly you can short here. Just place a stop loss at maybe about $300. See whether it will fire off or not. Hey, wait. Okay, this is not very good though. Yeah, JPM, I think I will wait more. Because this part is not very clear. Possibly, JPM can consolidate and then it can start to fire off also. BMNR. Okay, BMNR, I'm not too sure whether it will fire off from here or not. If not, if it doesn't move from here, I think you should be able to see one more leg up come into this zone before it starts to go. So either one of it, I think, might happen. But I'm actually inside already. I think I bought at $50 or something. Is it $50 or somewhere here? Yeah, around here. I think around here when I was inside the zone. Yep, I bought it. Oh, live chat can. Okay, W there, okay. Okay, let me see. Where do you see this? Oh, you are on the higher time frame. Can I don't think this is yeah, this one don't looks like a diagonal though. It's not a diagonal. Because if you are looking for a diagonal, right, likely the count should start from here instead. But then this one already, I think, likely negated, unless this is your, correction. Then you get something like that, and possibly maybe one more as an expanding ending diagonal. It's still quite possible. Yeah, the expanding ending diagonal also failed. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it failed already. It failed by this leg. One moment, Okay, if you were to count something like your 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Your wave 3 and your wave 4, right? The wave 4 volume already failed because your wave 3, right? The volume actually shows you that is higher. So you should expect wave 4 volume to be higher as well. So it failed already. Even if, but then because over here, there's still a chance, right? That possibly this one can be a three-way structure before one more leg down. So this one you need to monitor longer. Then when you see volume, is higher than wave 2, likely this one will be a wave 4. Then you might get one more wave 5 down. But wave 5 will fly very far though. So if you were to try to on a trend line, yeah, you can see, right? If it develops like that, come all the way down, possibly maybe about 188 area, it will be quite far. Okay, you lost at which part, potato? Because if you look at your MACD, right, your wave 4 volume is too small because you are looking at the expanding ending diagonal. But then your volume is too small. Yeah, you should start your wave count from at least this leg, this leg, not this one. Because ending diagonal usually they only appear on the last wave. So if you count from here, it will be a little bit weird, Liao, I think. Let me see. Did you all check? Possibly this one still can be a triangle though. Is it a triangle? Oh, but which one is lower? This is like 205.33. Oh, okay, this one is lower. Okay, no risk. His diagonals, usually they are very clear, you know. the structure is very nice that type. Rarely it will become something like that, I think. Yes, definitely, definitely. Potato. That one very, very nice. Nice forecast. Because if we can, I think that time I did the diagonal on CRM, right? So if you take a look over here, usually diagonal they appear on the last wave. So you will get something like a correction. Wait, huh? As you will get something like a correction before the diagonal starts to develop. This is normally what you will see. Because you know that this is your three wave structure, but then right internally within your last wave you have a diagonal. And then if talking about leading diagonal, it should start somewhere here. Then after that, possibly it can do like a correction before it starts to dump again. But then ending diagonal always appear on the last wave. That's why just now when I was looking at what was that again? WD. Let's see, huh? Okay, I can check this for you guys. See whether it fulfills or not. This one possibly is a triangle though. Okay, if this is a triangle, okay, I think we can look for long in this stock. Look for long. Yeah, although we didn't catch at the trend line, no worries. Wait for some pullback. Then we can, try to buy this. Let me write it somewhere. This one can be a good one. WDAY. Okay. Hey, how's Apple already? Apple. Okay, Potato, have you go live or not? Are you going to start live this month? Is it this month or next month? Wrong again. No, next month. Okay, can lah, Potato. I look at you, I think you can do it. Really, you should start live. But your paper trading, are you making money? Potato, you are starting live on the hardest month to trade. September. It's not going to be easy, but I think it's worth it. Apple, I really like it. I like it. I think we can take a small size. If not, I do it as an investment. Okay lah. I have decided already. I will take Apple as an investment. Since I don't have any, right? Okay, I take Apple as an investment. Okay, I will buy now. I will update the group. Number 8. Okay. Oh, 228.82. Just put 80 lah, easier. Today date is 25th. Eh, eh. Yeah, I typed too much. One moment. Okay, I'll buy for myself. One moment. Okay, done. Is MNST. You're looking for short, right? Is it? Longs ah? Yeah, if you want to, you can drop to 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Look for a small structure, then after you can start to go long. Daily. Okay, wait, huh? How much is this gap? Oh, this is huge. Yeah, I think you can drop down to the lower time frame. The 5 minutes, wait for some sort of correction here before you start to go long. Wait, WDCW, wait, cannot. WDC. Yes, too late now. Too late now. It went a little bit too far now. You Hazel, you went, I think you went for holiday, you've forgotten about it, is it? Wow. Hazel, this one looks like 10 years later, 11 years later, it's going to break all-time high. Fantastic, man, my friend. Western Digital Corporation. This one is the company that do like SSD, hard drive, all that, is it? Western Digital Corporation is. It just sounds familiar. You know, well, normally don't care. Okay, no problem. I understand because you're doing trading only. But okay lah, you do trading. Uh, as long as not those meme stock, I think you're fine. But then I think your investment is also in those, big company, right? Not those small companies. Okay, I want to scan through this watch list. Let's see what do we are you all. So maybe going away. Okay, I want to create a new small cap. Where do I add? Okay, I also don't want to clutter my watch list. I'll create right at the end. Oh, going out. Okay. WGS. Wow, this WGS dropped all the way from $1.50 until right now $136. Really? 10,000% return from the low. Really? What stock is this though? It IPO at about $320. It flew all the way up until almost $900. It hang all the way down until $1.20. From $1.20, it fly all the way up until $126 within 2 years. Oh, it's WGS. Because I done some research over the weekend and some of them I like it. I never go and look at the chart. I only look at the fundamentals. So, yep. So I like them. Then I'll add them into my watch list. Okay, interesting. Wow. Yeah, Rick, this one look like crazy, huh? Okay, next. Let me see. Hey, did I add it in already? Oh. Okay, ROOT, if I'm not wrong. This one is... Oh, I like it. I like this. This one is about insurance. It's a disruptive technology. Okay, not bad. The chart looks fantastic. I like it. 15 minutes. Oh, this one is good. Open, you think will rug pull by the CEO? What is rug pull? Rug pull. The oh, I thought open. Open is not a crypto company, right? Is it open or not? Open is not okay. Open is not Open technology is quite so. No, open door leh, open door leh. Open door is not crypto though. Yeah, lah, open door technology. Yeah, open is do housing one, it's real estate. It's real estate, my friend. That's why I like it. Why I like open is because they are going to cut interest rate. When you cut interest rate, it's going to lower your mortgage loan, the financing interest. So that's when most of the time buyers, sellers, they'll all come in. Then the housing market will be stimulated again. The moment you lower interest rate, the first one that you attract is all the investors, the rich people. They like to go in when interest rate is low. Yeah lah, you all don't scare me, can or not, my friends? Sometimes you all see the wrong thing, you all scare me, I also doubt myself. I remember I read over the weekend, I like it. The company has become smarter already. Initially, they use like AI, those platform there to help them sell houses, all that. They lose a lot of money. So right now, they learn how to negotiate with the sellers. And then, right, if they will try to lowball the seller by at least 10%, this is their company strategy. And then, if the seller doesn't bite, right, they will just throw the leads to a real estate agent. Then they collect commissions or a portion of the commission from those realtors. So they make money both ways. Then they also smart already. They know that usually during summer, you know, houses are selling off like crazy, and then prices are very very high. So right now they change their strategy. During summer they sell all their listings, and then right the other seasons they start to accumulate listings. So I see the change in the company where I like it. Then maybe in the next year or next 2 years they might turn profitable. BMNR. Well, to be honest, I'm not very sure though. Although recently there's a lot of Ethereum hype, but I really don't know whether it will rally or not. Although I do have investment, I do hope that it will go. Possibly, I think right now maybe you'll see one leg up, maybe one more down before it starts to go up. If not, likely it will just fire off from here. I'm still in research of regarding Ethereum. I buy a lot of over the weekend. I bought a few cryptocurrency. They are all related to Ethereum. They are like the body of Ethereum. They help to make it even better. No. Uh, what? Okay, Upstart. Upstart is not a diagonal, but then it looks good. It looks like there's a nice setup there. Yeah, I don't think this is a diagonal though. Yep, definitely not a diagonal. This is the low, and then this is like your correction. You got one more impulse down, and then that's it there. You don't have a five-way structure. But Upstart looks good. Okay, let me set the alarm. Possibly we can take another day trade. Nike can. Oh, that one is standby. 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 He's okay, okay. Sorry, how I called the wrong name. Okay, okay, good, good, good. Potato, you identify correctly. Very, very nice. Okay, Nike is fantastic in fantastic. I think possibly it might start to fire off already. Yeah, that's the thing. I never read about the fundamental of Nike, so although it looks nice, I really like it. But as of this point, I'm not confident in investing in it. Trading is fine. Trading is definitely good. Yeah, Nike looks really good. Why we forgotten about it, huh? Hoping to see ETH rally one more time, one last time. Yeah, it's hard to tell, but right now there's a lot of hype regarding or narrative. They call it narrative in the crypto world. There's a lot of good narrative surrounding Ethereum, including that that guy, the CNBC is it, the top strategist or something. His name is Tom Lee. Yeah, I do think that this will continue on for a little bit, maybe about at least 6 months to 1 year or something before it starts to die down. But no matter how, Ethereum I think is the second largest crypto, just behind Bitcoin only, if I'm not wrong. What do you think about yesterday's? Yesterday market is not open. Yesterday is Sunday. I'm correct? Yeah, yesterday Sunday. How to open? How much? Swing trading, I think as low as about $2,000, you can definitely do it. But try not to find stocks that are too expensive. Even like your Nvidia, AMD, they are about $100+, so I think it's fine. Saturday's market, Saturday, are you all talking about crypto or something? If Nike fire off, I'm not too sure whether they are related or not. But I also like Lulu as of this current moment. I'm just waiting for a good setup only. No setup, no longs for me. Oh, yeah, Saturday, I think Saturday or Sunday, I bought a few crypto. As of right now, I think all of them are negative. Let me see. Eh? I make money now. Is it? No lah. Haven't make money lah. Make me happy for nothing. Nike, I'm not sure whether the fundamental is good or not. Maybe can just ask Perplexity lah. Let's do a quick one. But it looks good though. It dumped really a lot. This is like how much? 70%. Fantastic. I like it. I like it. 70% is great. The earnings is Oh, no, no, no. 1 month later, 1 month later. Fierce competition. Actually, Adidas is more famous, right? But then I think in US you cannot trade Adidas. Is it? $70. Huh? It's already there one. 79 to 80, okay, right? Wow, I'm not too sure though. You all have to do more research on Nike. But it looks good. Really, really good though. I like it. Yeah, those of you who like it, maybe you can do a swing trade or position trade. I think this stock is nice. Open, still firing off. Yes, I like it. I like this stock. I didn't know it was, something got to do with real estate. If not, I will go and take a look at it earlier. I like the business model. It's really, really good. Still going. Yeah, it's crazy though. From last Friday until now. Last Friday is here. All the way until now. 83% in 2 days. My goodness. Yeah, it's a disruptive business model also. It disrupt the whole real estate, how houses are being transacted, all that. With this business model, a lot of realtors will die. They make money from both ways. It's very, very smart. If this technology were to come to Singapore, that's it. A lot of realtors will die also. SG currently have something a little bit similar, but then they charge like $2,000 commission. And these people that it's also something similar to Open Door. So they charge $2,000 commission. Then after that, at the same time, you will not see the realtors down for viewing. They will not open the house. So it's always the sellers who opens the house. So in Singapore, they just stay at home, use their computer to arrange appointments, or that. Very, very similar to Open Door. You will only see the real estate agent the time, when the house is being sold. When it's sold already, then you see him. He'll come down. Yeah, the 19991. Yes, correct. So that business model is a little bit similar to Open Door, but Open Door is on the larger scale. They have, a lot of people doing cold calling. They will call a lot of sellers, and then they will ask them, try to, negotiate over the phone. Don't even need to go down. It has been traded, this kind of one by Nasdaq, that has been traded below $1 for too long. Yes. Initially, because of COVID. Then after COVID, shortly after that, 2022, it was a bear market. Market wasn't very good. Inflation was very high. Interest rate at that time was extremely high. So high that they negotiated, because you need to look at the overall picture. Because at that point of time, interest rate was high, inflation is high, but then they continue to acquire homes, right, to sell them. So they acquire everything at a very, very high price. Then, the next year they try to clear it off, and interest rates started to went down. So they actually make a loss on those listings. But then right now they learn a lot from that lesson. A lot of investor, came in back, supported them. After that, right now I think they learned their lesson. So right now all the deals, right, they will always lowball the clients by at least 10%, 10% below the bank valuation. If the seller doesn't buy, right, they will just let it go. They will take the listing, they will throw it to a real estate agent. Then they collect more commission from the real estate agent. So they are like the leads generator. If they can't do their own sales, they just throw leads out to other people. It's amazing, this company. Because I also used to do real estate, I understand how disruptive this can be. Yeah, if this model come to Singapore, I think GG, my friend. But of course, the first one to adopt is always those big company. Those small one, just wait and die. Side, today I don't have much setup though. Yeah, today the market like all going sideways. Lulu, Quintin, I'm still waiting for setup. I still not very clear whether it's up or down. And then Figma, I'm still inside. Also not very clear. Yeah, the way it's developing, I think likely, maybe got more downside. But I will continue to hold for a little bit longer. Can. Yes, Palantir, definitely a E flat. Yes, I saw that. I do think that it's a E flat. So you can see, right, this one is quite unfortunate. So our stop loss is too tight. Too tight. It was a day trade, so right now if you want, you can convert into a swing trade. Palantir is still a valid trade. Yes, potato, good analysis. Nice. IRM. Okay, IRM, it looks good to short. Yup, definitely looks good to short, but just be careful, huh? You are breaking a structure. Okay? Then EQIX. EQIX. Yep, this one also looks good for a short. But over here is also the structure though. Yeah, need more confirmation, then we can go for short. PM. Okay, good, nice. Yep. Hazel, your IRM EQIX is exactly the same as potato white potato draw over there. We need to wait for that before we start shorting. Oh, QQQ, yes. QQQ. Okay. This is fantastic, my friend. For you, I love it. Okay, guys, one moment, huh? One moment, huh? Let me use the washroom, okay? I come back shortly, 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Wow, so many new chats. Normally, your long term, how many figures? Okay, my long term investment usually is about 10K to 50K. It depends on the risk, you know. Those very, very high risk one, usually I buy like 10K worth of it. Uh, those that are, like those mega tech that I normally trade, right? Those I always risk about 50K around there. 30 to 50, 30 to 50. Okay, Palantir, you buy just hit. Yes, yes, you can keep it. It's good. I like it. Do you think watching YouTube trading help with your knowledge? Uh, I'm not too sure whether YouTube do they provide you with everything, because my knowledge I learned from my previous mentor. Yeah, I paid them. Then after that, they taught me something. Then I could modify and with my own style. I back tested for many many years using Elliott Wave, so it's very very different from how I was taught. Yeah, so right now everything is my own strategy. Can doggy street. When you make money already, you can come and join us. Yeah, you can learn the basic there first, because here what I do is more advanced. Without alert wave knowledge, it will be quite difficult. Can potato? Yes, this one is good. The net is nice. A AVB. Can, but then I think it's a structure, right? Let me see, AVB. It looks like a structure. Yes, this one is a structure. Liao. Going to need. Yeah, you need to wait for. Unless you do position trade, possibly. Position trade definitely can take. Is XOM. XOM. No. This one is definitely not a diagonal. This one is just your complex corrective structure. Complex corrective structure, my friend. Not diagonal. You can tell, right? If I just zoom in like that, you can straight away tell this is like your impulse, and then inside is a complex corrective structure. Likely it's done already. XOM can fire off. That's why we are still in OXY. Okay. Now you understand why I don't want to close OXY. I've been holding for so long already. I just don't want to close it. This is like insurance. It's like hedging against all our positions. When the market doesn't do very well, OXY possibly it can fire off. Finally going now, my friend. Can if you want Palantir, no issue. Yeah, just manage with your own risk, okay? Maya. I think I will just calculate from here. Just place. Maybe just place under this low will do. Yeah, unless you do a day trade. Yeah, possibly we can try to catch a day trade. I can set an alarm. course here. Let me see. Yep, we can set alarm. No rush lah, no rush. I'll set one more. Yeah, if you can do a day trade, we convert it to a swing, that will be fantastic. MBS Casino. Wow, Quentin, you every day a lot of place to go to, huh? Now I start this at night I cannot go out though. I'm still thinking. Still got a few more days for me this week for me to think whether next month I want to go for holiday or not. Then if I were to go for holiday, I won't be here for the whole month. Then I'll keep you guys updated, so don't worry. Even if next month is difficult to trade, okay, just go and look at today's the market update video that I did. That will be the best plan already, I think. Yes. Doggy treats. I don't have a day job. I run my own business. I used to have, but then I quit already. No, Quentin. Okay, you go to our Discord group. You got see this part or not? It's called Market Insight and Market Update videos. It's under Market Update videos. I always post there. For me, myself, right, I only got these two channels only. Yeah, one for me to type, another one for me to post video. Yeah, go and look at that video. Then you have a better idea. It gives you like the path all the way until end of September already, what you should do. I show you a lot of correlation between this and that. I think it gives you confidence lah. Of course, I will still continue to type. If not, if not what, maybe if there's a need to, I will do a short video. I also bring my tablet along. If there's a need to, I go and buy one more laptop lor. No choice, right? Yeah, I will type also. Same thing lah. I have the board. All that. I can go anywhere. I can trade. No need to do live. The live, okay lah. For now, I got time. Then I just do it lor. The moment my account hits 5 million, okay, that's it. I'm gone now. Maybe I won't do so much live anymore. Likely once a week. Then I go go enjoy out. No, 5M individual account, trading account 5M, long-term investment account 5M. I think about 2 years, 3 years I can hit lah. 2 years, 3 years I hit liao, then I go enjoy the world, go here and there. Enough lah. I think it should be more than enough. You imagine yes. Yes, 10M in total. So right now I will need to grow my my trading account faster so I can top up a little into my long-term investment account. My goal is to hit both account 5M by 3 years. Bring me, fly with you. Okay, we can go around. Okay, I want to drive around the whole world. While my baby is still young. You see, if you have 5 million, right, you don't have to trade a lot now. 1 year, if you can grow your account 20%, that's like 1 million already. 1 million I think is more than enough lah. More than enough. You can pay off all your mortgage loan. Don't even need car loan. You know, your life is more or less quite relaxed already. Day trade need to day trading, it all depends on your style, because some people they day trade a lot of instrument in one day. I have seen videos where they say institutional trader, one trading day they can open 200 to 300 trades. I don't know how they do it, but the people that I know, right, usually they day trade, they only focus about 3 to 5 instruments, and then every single day they're just trading that 3 to 5. Also depends on your stop loss distance. Usually day trade, your stop loss is very, very small. So if you have a leverage account, that will be the best, so that you can open a larger size, and then you just get in and out within the same day. NVIDIA, wow. Actually, my first target hit 180. The next one, I think likely is 200 already, because 180 to 200 is not far away. Somehow is a whole number, is a psychological number. I think 200 will be a strong resistance level. DVN. I have a lot of NVIDIA though, a lot. I buy for so many years already. I still got like 70% of the position. Over the years, I keep roll and roll and roll and roll. In between, I TP here a little bit, there a little bit. NVIDIA is like my largest portfolio. I love it lah. DVM, yeah, a little bit late as of right now. This one, it has a very nice breakout though. Fantastic trade. Breakout, consolidate, continue to go. I like it. But are you in OXY or not? Or you got out already? If you're still in OXY, still not too bad. Still inside, okay lah, not too bad lah. It's the same thing. I think it's also an oil company, right? I also so damn close to closing it, OXY, but then it was because of the consolidation outside, so I decided to hold it. Then I also very scared, like, this month the market doesn't perform so well, and then we got the Jackson Hole event, all that. That's why I continue to hold OXY. I use it as a hedge. Yes, OXY is fantastic. It's a bit slow, but then no matter how, it's still a triangle. It's still a valid triangle. You saw at 177. Okay, for me, right, like Andrew, he asked me a question before. If today, right, we enter a bear market, enter a recession, market tank 35%, 50%, all that, what stock will I buy? I will definitely buy NVIDIA. NVIDIA is my favorite for, I think, the past 8 years already. I've accumulated so much positions in NVIDIA. Really, like a lot. Whenever I have the money, I just buy. Without NVIDIA, my long-term investment account won't grow so fast. It's all because of NVIDIA. Yes, RBLX went up a lot. Just not pre-market, I was thinking like whether, want to enter or not. And then in the end, I decided not to. Now I regret. You can see why I regret, right? Me and this RBLX 没有缘分啊。COP. Hans, you need to be very, very clear about your objective. And then you also need to understand the market sentiment, market condition, macroeconomics. Because if you're day trading using, a small stop loss with a larger position size, because day trade sometimes you are so good, you can place a stop loss that is so small, it can almost use up all the money that you have inside your account just to buy that one trade. So if you don't understand when there are, major economic news or that, possibly if you hold overnight, the next day, it get up or down against you, you GG now, really GG. But because the way I day trade, my stop loss can be small, but then my risk is also very, very small. I only day trade when the market condition is good. I don't day trade when like last Friday we have Jackson Hole event. Now that I won't day trade and hold it overnight. Yes, broke structure. Yes, you're coming to break structure, but then 1 hour I think is not too bad though. Wait for a bit of consolidation, then after that, uh, yep, you can definitely get in. This one possibly, no, not ascending triangle. Possibly is your symmetrical. You all can use MACD to do a confirmation. I do think that this one passed the criteria. The way it develops, right? I think that is symmetrical. Yeah, go and test it out. Yes, very, very big structure. OXY now like a little bit late leh. But then if you want, you can buy a little bit, just a little bit will do. Yeah, because OXY, I think all of us, we entered here. So we are inside for very, very long now. We spotted this triangle, so we enter, somewhere here. Then even using Elliott wave, we passed all our criteria. So we entered somewhere here. MACD pass potato. Okay. Yeah, the way I look at it, this one looks like it will pass. Nice lah. Can be a good trade though. Hazel, 靠你了. Okay? You need to monitor this, huh? Don't let it go. That can be a very, very good trade. Yes, correct. It's fantastic. It's really, really fantastic. I like, you draw that trend line and then how it develops as a triangle is, you cannot ask for anything better. Yes, you really cannot ask for anything better already, my friend. Good trade lah. Good analysis. Really. Good job, guys. Really, really good job. And if you look at this stock, you scroll back the history, it usually consolidates for a long time, but then when it fire off, it's fast, it's huge. Even back then, this area, you can see, right? Yeah, this stock is good. Yes, what Potato say is correct. I think I also want to enter. I still got some margin, so I'll set an alarm. Oh, Hazel, you enter now. Okay, can. I think it's not bad. It's really not bad. All of you enter. Wow, you're so aggressive, huh? Brother, if I can reach my 10M so soon, I'm happy. If I reach 10M, bye bye, guys. You all are on your own already. You'll see me flying everywhere. Hey, you just imagine 5 million account. You make 20% 1 year, I also happy lah. 1 million. 1 month you can spend about 80,000. Where to find such a job? Enter what? They enter COP. COP, send COP. Yeah, you go and look at the live stream chat. Yeah, they all send all the charts inside. They have all the discussion there. Yes, COP, correct. Yeah, Quintin, you can join them, with all this discussion. They are pro now lah. Huh? They can guide you well. Yes, Discord. Under there's this channel, this category called the trading floor. So there are all the students are having all the discussion there. Yeah. Join where Hans? Oh, it's my own trading course. So if you are interested in the trading course, you can drop me a DM. You're all going. Sometimes I look at you guys. You all make me make impulsive decision. But after you all, who are Hazel, you send that chat. Wow, really, you cannot ask for anything better now. It's exactly like CRM. Okay lah. I also join you guys lah. Since I got some margin, it's really not bad. Trader Lounge. No. Okay. Under this category called the trading floor. So trading floor, you got see live stream chats, right? So most of the time, during live streaming, they will all chat there. Then, whenever we are not live streaming, they will either use the Traders Lounge, if not the students Q&A. Students Q&A is the part where all the students, they ask very specific questions where I also guide them. Yeah, student Q&A is the part where it talks about all the strategy. Then Traders Lounge is like, some place for you to hang out, not chit chat, all that. Put below E is like far mark, it's super duper far. You really put there? Huh? Okay, guys, don't need to put so far, my friend. Okay, this one is a very small one. But but this one is high read. Is also considered far though. Let me see. Actually, this trade, I don't mind doing multiple entries. Yeah, I don't mind taking on 2 risks. Hey, you can enter one now. Put one stop loss at about 95.35. Then if really it comes into the zone, buy again, and then place one more stop loss under the zone. I think that will be, that will be okay liao. Yep. This type of trade, I don't mind, double up. Good job lah, guys. Let me buy this also. Oh, the number also hot at 96.88. I like this type of number. Okay lah, TP, I think you all know where to target already. I think we can aim slightly a bit higher. No, it's long. I sent inside the group already, Quintin. You can go and take a look. Yeah, now they can find very, very good trades, huh? So you can, go and have a chat with them. Sometimes you can look at what they send. Most of them really, right now, send very good setups. Really, really good one. So far, quite a number of positions that I took. I think it's sent by the students. Now they research, they go and find, then they send inside the group. Oh, okay. What I do right is I never really split into 2 and 3. Okay, there are many methods that you can do. Usually for position trades, especially when the market is tanking, we are in a bear market or a correction mode where the S&P drops more than 10%. That one I will split my entry up. But this type of position trade where market is still strong, normally what I meant is that here right, from this entry all the way into half of the zone, maybe I risk 1%, and then right, I will, if COP comes into the zone, right, I will buy another 1% trade, but then I place a stop loss below the zone. Then for your first position, right, maybe when it comes in your zone, I will shift the stop loss lower also. So it's somehow like expanding my stop loss. But this method, I don't use it very often. And so far, for I think you guys have been here for about 2-3 months already. Yeah, you all don't see me doing that. It's only when the setup is so beautiful that I do it. Oh, okay. Maybe I can explain again. So right now, we enter here, we place a stop loss somewhere inside here, right? So this is the first trade, okay? Then the second trade, maybe I will enter when it comes into the zone, and then I place a stop loss under the zone, okay? So you see, we have 2 trades already, right? Then the very first trade, the stop loss over here, I will go and remove it. I go and place it under here. So the same one as the second trade. So overall, if you do 1%, if really things turn the other way, you will lose about 2.5% for this rate. About 2.2 to 2.5, I think around there. If you want to do it from the start, you can do that. You can do that. Because no matter how, right, if you just measure from this low until this high, it went up about 4.5% already. So I do think that it will consolidate a little bit before it starts to go. COP looks good. Yes, I like it. Can you can also do that, Rick? If you want, you also can do that. Yeah, if you do that, but then if it doesn't come into the zone, right, that means your position size will be quite small though. I only risk more whenever it's a valid triangle. If it's not, normally I don't risk so much. Diagonals, sometimes I also risk a lot. Yeah, because they are the structures, right, that gives you very, very high confidence that it can fire off. They are normally easier to break even. No matter how, they will tend to have a reaction before you take the full loss or something. Yes, correct. So something like OXY, OXY, although it moves a little bit slower as compared to CCI back then when we took that triangle, OXY we took somewhere here, right? But you can see, right, after it went up a little bit, it starts to consolidate already. Then before it starts to go again. But then we took right around here. Yeah, but most importantly, the triangle must pass our criteria. If it doesn't pass our criteria, just skip it. Because I think just now earlier, Potato also sent one of the chart regarding an ending diagonal. I think you all can scroll up and see. He also asked me whether can filter that one away, filter one of the MACD. For us, definitely no, because the MACD is our confirmation. Without that MACD, uh, you know, you can see a lot of triangles on the chart. Which is the very reason why, right? If you go online, you go and read about this and that, they always say that triangle can break out both ways. But when you use Elliott wave, you have a higher confidence that you know where likely it will go to. Market is slow though today, but at least QQQ is not bad. You're up for the risk or not? Let me see. How's our China stocks doing? Is it good? Okay, normal. Okay, this also normal. IBM. Still very slow. Yeah, market is slowing down already. Not much movement. Okay, just now I was doing something right. I want to add into my watch list. Okay, so we continue on. Oh, you send something to you via TikTok. Oh, Andrew, you look like you are day trading. I can't really tell though. I think the green color one is buy, right? Or just some broker is a little bit different. Is it okay? You are making money? Green color is buy. Yeah, you look like you are doing day trading. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Only one, one of it you bought at the top. But I think after that you took the loss, you get out first. Good job, good job. Good job. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, your day trading is okay, I would say. Not bad, not bad. At least based on what I see, but this is what, one day only or what? I don't think this is one day. This one don't look like a one day. That looks like at least a few days of data, or at least a few weeks. Oh, today only Today you do so much, trade, really? Really, my friend? Okay lah, good job, good job, good job. This one is today's data. My goodness, how you get in and out so quickly. Okay, I think when you send me is somewhere here. Oh, nice lah, nice. Oh, you send me one more. What broker are you using though? How come it's quite different? It looks like you're using Robinhood, is it? Good lah, good lah. You're making good money. Oh, you're using Momo ah? Oh, sorry huh? I myself I have been using Momo for so many years I have not once used the desktop app before. Wow, Andrew, you are fantastic lah. You picked the correct time to, day trade open. It's really good. Yeah, but just be careful, because I still can't imagine from Friday until now, it went up almost 86%. Oh, the phone very hard to sell. Really? Yeah, maybe because you day trade very, very fast. My day trade is usually quite slow because I like to convert them to swing trade. Oh, fantastic lah. Really fantastic. Good lah. Good, 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 good. Yeah, I think you can wait for it to go up a little bit more. Maybe you can start to sell some also. Okay, okay. Okay lah, good to see you inside the group, Andrew. You motivated by your voice. What? Okay, Nvidia is really speculative. For me, why I don't mind buying is because I have been accumulating Nvidia for about 7 to 8 years already. I have so much positions that even when I book my profit, I think more or less I book about 30% of it until now, until today. I just keep letting it roll and roll and roll. Whenever I have money, I will buy here a little bit, there a little bit. But today, Nvidia went up a little bit high though. We are at the trend line resistance already. Chargy got earnings high. Why like that? Why? Okay, thank you, Rick. Thank you, Rick. Likely, hopefully, hopefully, Chargy give us some profit. At least, maybe we can live a little bit to speculate for earnings. I go and find a TikTok video how to pronounce that company. It's called Chargy. Yeah, Rick, I also think I will hold a little bit. It has done way too much already. I think likely the earnings will help a little bit. Yeah, I'm not a bubble tea type of guy. Once the blue moon, I go and drink. I don't even know what's the most popular brand in Singapore as of right now. I only know maybe 2 years, 3 years ago, there was this like cheese green tea or something. Wow, the queue is crazy. People can queue 1 hour, 2 hours just for a cup of bubble tea. I will never ever do that. Or you buy like 181, Andrew, it depends on your goal, If you're day trading, I would say right now it's a little bit high. But then if you're doing investment, it's still okay lah. JPM drop. Yeah, JPM is still a structure. I still need to wait for more confirmation before I'll be interested in shorting it. Shorting or long? Yeah, right now there's really no confirmation. It's too confusing already. if hi, you don't say like that day I buy bubble tea, I also share with her. Her very first time trying bubble tea. The moment she tastes it, whoa, cannot go back now. She snatched my drink, you know. She's like, give it to me, give it to me. I want to drink. And somehow I drink like zero sugar. That day, what did I drink? I think I drink something like peach green tea or something like that. She tastes it once only, once. That's it, GG. Then she cry when I don't want to give it to her. So I buy Chaji to increase their sales. Okay, can. Too late already, my friend. They have already, I think, settled everything for the past 3 months already. You are buying for the next quarter now. Hey, how's Wingstop? Wingstop. Rick is a big supporter of Wingstop. He likes to contribute to their sales. You end already so fast? You are out already? Why you like Wingstop so much, Rick? Is it very nice? Okay, understood. Okay lah, Andrew, you can come to live stream as and when you can ask some questions. Wingstop, I tried before. It's nice lah. It's nice. The fries is also nice. Oh yes, there's one more company, right? The food brand. Is it called Shake something? Shake Shack. Wow, this one like. Uh, this company, oh, is crazy, man. I think Wingstop is better. Yeah, Wingstop definitely looks better. It's at least, trending up. See live. Yeah lor, why we never enter APA? Why nobody monitor APA? It's so good. I think likely Hazel because you're overseas, If not, I think you should have seen it. Yes, that's a regular flat. Correct. TEL. Wow, Hazel, you're so aggressive. Okay, this one is not bad. It's not bad. But it's still a structure, huh? Okay, let me see. Hmm. Yeah, TEL, if you enter, I think you need to use a slightly wider stop loss. Because no matter how you still at the trend line, possibly you might get some pullback around this area. Yeah, it looks like a triangle, but then it's not. No matter how, it's still a consolidation. In the end, it turned out to be a C flat. Yeah, guys, we need to put one person as the trade IC out. Who wants to be a trade IC? Trade IC has huge responsibility. If we miss a good trade, we hum you. Anyone wants to volunteer? I think I'm worse than you. I scan through the chart every time I scan, but then the moment I never write it down, that's it. That's it. I've forgotten, what trade I'm looking at. Risk IC. Actually, Visa is good. Visa is really good. Okay, Rick, every time when you see such situation, I like to come to Finviz, okay, and then you just give it a refresh, right? Just put on the 1 day performance. Can you see today what happened or not if you change to 1 day? What is green? The tags are green, but then overall market is red. So you can see, right, the tags, they are very news driven. Before the Jackson Hole event, it was tanking like crazy, whereas the rest of the industrials are all going up, like healthcare, your finance, everything going up. Then after Jackson Hole, because they are likely going to lower the interest rate, tech starts to resume the uptrend, and then the rest goes into sideways mode. Yeah, there will always be like sector rotation, but the best one, right, is the overall sector, all the sectors, they trend in the same direction. That will be the best already. Actually, Visa is good. If you all have margin, can take. CYBR is also good. Uh, what did I see just now? Oh, Visa is also a nice one. Yes, there are many good ones. Yeah, if you watch the video today, I think you will understand my thoughts. Why I still think the market will go up. Usually, reducing interest rate is a good sign. Why did I write W day here? Are we looking for a setup? Oh yes, we are. Yep, W day also can monitor. So far Mara is gone. Moderna is gone already, so I'll remove it. I will just send this inside maybe the trade ideas. Oh yes. By the way, guys, just now what are we supposed to What are we supposed to monitor? Okay, COP also, right? COP. COP we are inside already, but then if it starts to retrace, possibly we can add one more. Let me scan through whatever that's being sent. A- AVB, let me see. AVB. Okay, quite possible. Oh, net. Net is good. It's good. Is it gone? 4 hours. Okay, net, I think I'll wait for a little bit more. PM. Oh, no. I'm still consolidating. Rick, not done yet. I write inside the trade ideas. Yeah, I'm trying to consolidate everything. Then, after I'm done, I will send it in. Okay, I will add net and okay, maybe those they are not ready. I create one more list. A plus plus setup. This one consolidation needed. Setup. One. Number two. IRM. Let's see. When your consolidation breakout, tell me. Yeah, I do a list, then after everyone can scan through. So it'll be easier for us also. Okay, these two not done yet. Nike. Nike also quite possible. Oh, gone now. Fire off now. Yep, it's going already. No problem. We can add it, and then at least we know what to monitor. Oh yes, Upstart. Upstart is also beautiful just now. But not done. Okay, Upstart. PANW. PNW can be a good one though. MNST. MNST. Okay, this one will need to monitor a little bit. At at the back like triangle. Which one, Rick? Okay, so far I think you should have covered everything. Yep, done already. I think done already. Where is it? Trade ideas. Okay. I think these are some of the lists that we can monitor. Intel, you think will break out cost Trump? Yes, definitely. Although the Intel is lagging a little bit behind, but then you can see, right? The government, they want to build Intel. They want to make Intel strong. And then Intel new CEO, which I like him a lot. So I do think that Intel can scale to another level. Undervalue those skeleton Intel lor. I think that Intel it will be a good one in the next few years. Okay, sure. Uh, Good night, potato. See you. Go rest. Yes, when I exit Intel, I like, my goodness, I hold for 4 months already. Really 4 months. I think I bought here also. Here, I think I bought here. Another good triangle I bought here. I went through every single thing after earnings, it dropped down. I think somewhere here I just exit. After right now, bloody hell. 1 month later, it goes up so much. I want to vomit blood. You know, my whole investment portfolio are those that I hold for at least 6 months to 2 years. That those long term investment. Every single position is green. You know, only Intel because I couldn't stand it. Like If this stupid earnings doesn't fire off, I'm out. The moment I'm out, 1 week later, 1 month later, it goes up so much. My goodness. Okay lah. But Intel don't make me a lot as of this current moment. We can go back again. Even if I enter here, at this current price, actually not bad leh. 26% already. It's wow, really, jing warming blood. Sometimes, patience pay off. I like Intel just because of the CEO. It's just like why many years ago I started investing in AMD is also because of the new CEO. I think 2018 or something, Prof. Su take over. And then when I read about Prof. Su, wow, I like it. So I started investing in AMD as well. How much you gain per month? You mean in numbers or percentage? Percentage, I think is more fair lah. The percentage usually it doesn't change a lot. You're going to enter via swing or investment. Intel, I'm going to enter for investment. Normally, those that enter for investment, I also do swing trades. How about non-tech stock? Non-tech, I'm building a list. Okay, those are, I think on the higher risk side, they are small cap stocks. But then, if you all really go and research, about 2 to 3 company out of 100 becomes the next Amazon, becomes the next Palantir. So I don't know which one will become, but then I'm willing to risk on them. I will start a new 100K account to buy stocks like that and then see how far I can push it. Yeah, I'm still building that watch list first. As of right now, my watch list are undervalued. I cannot think of any though. Yeah, my long-term investment mostly consists of those mega tech stock like your Amazon, Nvidia, AMD, Palantir. My portfolio is the same as Nancy Pelosi. If you go and look at her portfolio, my portfolio is almost exactly the same. Like those healthcare stocks, consumer defensive, I don't do them long term. The reason is because I'm not interested in dividends. I'm interested in the growth of the company. Yes, something like maybe you can try Walmart. Walmart is one of the stronger consumer defensive, right? So we just pick one area, we pick here. This one is like June. Yeah, we can find somewhere closer now. Okay lah, maybe December 23, all the way until this high. It took about 1 year plus to generate 111%, provided you exit right at the top over here. So I think it's a little bit slow for my liking. Amazon. I don't know though. I can only tell you next month possibly the market won't perform so well. If we do have a huge pullback, that's when I will start to enter again. Likely after the interest rate decision. I think the next interest rate is on 18th of September. So after that, I do think likely the market will dump. Then from there you can ask again. You ask again, possibly I can identify a better price to enter. As of right now, Amazon, whatever I'm doing over here, most of them are trading. For investment, I've already done them like around this area already. So for now, I'm not adding all and not adding any more into investment. Although recently I added some, those are the higher on the higher risk side, like your BMNR, what else? Figma, all that. Normally, I don't buy stocks like that for long-term investment, but I'm okay lah. Take on a very, very small risk, about 3% of my account for each trade. So if it turns out well, then good for me. If it doesn't, I'll just cut the loss. Figma. Yep, not doing well. It's also below my entry. Okay. Okay, guys, one moment. I pick up this phone call for a while. Okay, I'm back. Okay, guys, you got any last questions about NVTS? Oh, yeah, Jie, you still here now? Because if you are talking about percentage gain, right, my monthly, I'm looking at about 5 to 20% as of right now. But then I will start one more new account. That new account, right, maybe, possibly can be higher than 20%. So for me, because I risk very, very small for each trade, usually about 0.5% for day trade, swing trading and position trading, usually I risk about 1% of my account. So, yep, my max per month is very, very close to 20%. Sometime, maybe 1 month in 1 year, it exceeds 20% by a little bit. Major uptrend, but Stan selling all his position mid-September. Possibly, maybe I will also sell my position. I do think that the rate cut will dump the market. Yeah, if you go and look at my video, you will understand already. Because I show you something, it follows so closely that I also got a shock. You can go and compare the history, prices, all that. The moment you see, you're like, wow, really? Okay. Later you go and watch, then you have a clearer idea. Actually, I like meta though. I feel like adding more positions to meta. Hmm. Okay, guys, if y'all got no more last question, I will end the live stream. Okay, it's getting late already. Market also slow down. There's nothing much we can do. I also don't think I will buy any more today. Yeah, if you want, can take a look at meta. I think that is more or less about it. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for coming. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, enjoy your night. Have a good rest. Good night. Take care. Bye bye.